Guys and girls, I got these LASFIT LED lights for the Honda Civic, which is right behind me. And let's install these. This is 2018 Honda Civic 10th generation. And we already installed the floor mats, as you saw in a previous video. These are LASFIT. And now, what we're gonna install here, we're gonna install these lights, the LED lights. You see, these are yellow. I hate it. We're gonna upgrade to a beautiful LED lights. These are LT10 from LASFIT. They have very good design. They have all these little gold-plated connectors. Maybe it's not real gold, but anyway. And it has this resistor and little, not a microchip, but yeah, these are resistors. Let's open the package. All right, this is our LED. There are a lot of cheap LEDs on Amazon and eBay that will work, but I don't know how long they last. These LASFIT, I had them in my car for over 2 years in my Toyota, and now I'm going to install this in the Civic. And there's a LED here, very bright, on the side and on the side. Once I'm gonna get the halogen bulb out, we're gonna compare them. All right, if you don't have this tool, you see this is a plastic trim removal tool. It's a good idea to buy it. It's very helpful. We're gonna go with this edge right here, this corner right here. We're gonna pop it lightly. And this plastic thing comes off easy. This is our button here. Let me zoom in. I did. So there you go. Turn this off. Very easy. Just put this plastic trim removal tool on the side here, in the corner here, and the corner here, and then we're gonna pull down on this halogen bulb. Very easy. It's hot a little bit. When we compare this LED from LASFIT and this halogen bulb, LASFIT is just a few millimeters longer. Just a few millimeters longer. So we have some numbers on this halogen bulb. It says 12 volt, 8 watt Toshiba. Yeah. Look at this nice one. Nice thickness. Lots of resistors, and it says CAN boost, so they will not hyperflash. They're not supposed to like overheat. Okay, let's measure this one. 24.5 millimeters. Yeah, that's about right. .5 millimeters in length. And this one, the halogen bulb, 23 millimeters. Okay, so let's fit a little bit longer. This is the thickness of the board, how we call this, 2.6 millimeter, where the connectors are. Original halogen bulb has this connector at 2.1 millimeter. So we're gonna install it. Just push it in like this, and then let's test it. Wow, so much brighter. Nice clean look. Very bright, better than that yellow one. I personally don't like the yellow halogen bulb, so all right, let's turn it off and install the panel. Just install it at this angle and just push it in. There's not much physical forces required. It goes very nice and easy. Just make sure you do it at the angle and then just pop it in. Very easy. So let's repeat this process on this side, but look at the difference. Much cleaner look, and it will provide so much more light at night. Beautiful. And let's see. Yeah, let's see. The Civic does not have a light here like in Toyota, but that's okay. We won't be putting any makeup. And also we're going to replace this bulb too, and the one in the trunk. But let's finish this side. Same process. Start at the corner here on the inside, pop it out. And if you don't have this kind of trim removal tool, use a small screwdriver, but put a little bit of electrical tape so you don't want to, like, you know, scratch this and damage it. Before we do anything here in the back, we are going to turn this off, make sure it's off, and we're going to access was our primer tool, like trim removal tool, at this angle here and this angle here, because that's where we have little knobs. See here, guys, there's a little like notch. That's where we're going to put our tool, and then same thing on the other side. This is one hand operation. Pop it lightly. See? Go on the other side. There you go. And here's our halogen bulb. So yeah, it comes out. It's just harder to do it with one hand. And then we're gonna take our L10 and just gonna slide it in there. This is our new LED. And you just slide it in. There, let's test it out. And it works. Before you put any that plastic cover, just test it out if it works. But as you see, it works nice, and it's so bright. Even during the day, providing a lot of light. To install this plastic piece, just this side goes in first, and then just push it in, and we're done. Your dome light is like awesome. Looks so bright. Now let's move to the rear, to the trunk. In the trunk, we also have a mess, firefighter mess. This is very easy. This light, I'm just gonna pop it on the side here and on the side here. I'm gonna insert the tool here and insert the tool here. And this is how we remove the trunk LED. Just put it on the side here, turn it, and that's it. Super easy. And we have to remove this connector, push it down, and slide it out. In order to remove this light, it also slides out, and just slide it out. This is a little halogen bulb. Take our L10 from LASFIT and push it in like this. And now we're gonna test it, and it works. So click it, and push this connector in, and we're done, guys. This is so nice. So now you know how easy it is to upgrade lights to the LED lights in your Civic. Well, my dear YouTubers, see you in the next video, and I hope you enjoyed this video. And if you have any questions, shoot them down below. See you in the next video.